Good day, ladies and gentlemen. As you know, what we always do in this particular platform, we talk about Yoruba history, we talk about Yoruba words, and we explain and learn from it. So today we're talking about the history of Elewa ṣàpọ. Today I'll be reading it because I have to write it down to avoid some mistake when I was searching for it. So listen, the bean seller of ṣàpọ, that is the meaning of Elewa ṣàpọ, centers on Madam Janet Oyewusi Odeshola, a woman whose business practice in Abeokuta, Ogun State, Nigeria. Best, the popular Yoruba proverb stated, "Ṣàpọ otimọ, Elewa ṣàpọ," which means to cut one's clothes according to one's size. What is the origin of this story? Madam Janet was born in 1925 in Ifon and married to Abeokuta's man. She initially hawked dry fish before opening her cooked beans restaurant in 1951. Her canteen was located at ṣàpọ, a major junction in Abeokuta. The name ṣàpọ itself is derived from the word ṣàpọnlóore, which means to help the bachelor, as it was a popular eating spot for single men. So this particular area was popular eating spot for single men at the time in 1951. So what brings about the popularity? Her beans and stew were so famous that they attract a wide range of customers. They include the king, the government officials, and the students. She reportedly cooked a full bag of beans daily and never had left over. She sells completely a bag of rice every day. Now, how did we come up with the proverb, the "Ṣàpọ otimọ, Elewa ṣàpọ"? It was the debt problem. Over time, many customers began buying on credit and failing to pay, leading Madam Janet into significant debt. Then she provided a solution. She implemented a strict order that no credit policy. That is the solution that she implemented at the time. When customers with insufficient funds asked for extra portions on credit, she would reply, "Ṣàpọ otimọ, buy what you can afford. Do as you can be proud of, and don't take anything on credit. Just buy what you can afford." Now, what is the cultural legacy? The phrase becomes so synonymous with her that customers would chorus along with her. Eventually, it's evolved into a standard Yoruba adage used to advise people to live within their financial means and avoid unnecessary debts. Madam Janet Oyewusi Odeshola passed away, but her story remained a permanent fixture in Yoruba folklore as a lesson in financial discipline. Subscribe for more stories like this, as we are looking forward to tell you the story, how we come about Alajo Shomolu. Thank you. God bless you. My name is Kunle Oyebamiji. Thank you for following and listening. Bye.